Hello, it's ekrFY, and I am back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you, and I'm glad you're joining me. If you are returning, welcome back. If you haven't yet clicked that subscribe button, I'd love it if you did. Today I have an unboxing video. This is from Beads. They contacted me to promote some of their products on my videos. The products were of no cost to me. They allowed me to pick out $35 worth of items on their website that also included shipping. Their shipping costs seem to be a little bit high, but the cost of their items are really, really inexpensive, so it works out really well. I ordered these on August 7th. Today, the day I'm filming this, is August 27th, so it took 20 days to get here. They did tell me that due to COVID, the flights were not so often, so the shipping times would be long. So here is what I ordered. It is very exciting. I haven't really opened them much to look at them. I just glanced to see what the package was, because honestly, I had forgotten that I ordered it. But here are the items that I chose from their website. I ordered this pack of glitter paper. Let me see what they called this. They called it Flash Powder Cardboard Paper DIY Glitter Crafts Party Decoration New Year Gifts Card Mixed Color. And it is 10 sheets, and it was $1.69. So see, their prices are quite inexpensive. I'm going to move this big package over to the side so I have more room to show you what came in it. So this is what the package looks like. And let me open it to see what this glitter paper is like. You know I love glitter paper, so I had to order it. Oh, it's all of the same color, and it's this light purple color, which is fine by me. I am not sure how well the camera's picking it up, but it's a beautiful, really like a lavender color. And they appear to be 8.5 by 11. Maybe 8 1/4 by 11.5. So that would still work for card bases, or card mats, I should say. And the backs of these are white. So that is that pack. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of that. And then the next thing was a promotional item they had, and it was Flash Powder Cardboard Paper DIY Glitter Crafts Party Decoration New Year Gifts Card Mixed Color. Sounds almost like the other one. One set, and it was a promotional item, and it was $3.21, and it was an assorted pack of glitter cardstock, and I wanted to compare it to the cardstock that I got from BB Crafts. And look at what it is. It's the same one I got from BB Craft, I believe. I laughed when I opened it. I had to check my BB Craft account, because I thought maybe I accidentally ordered it from there. I had, like I said, I forgot about the Beads order. So it is the same paper as from BB Craft, and these measure a little more than 8.5, right about 8.5 by about 11.5. And you got 3 of these beautiful purples, 3 of the beautiful brown. Oh, I love this gold. It's beautiful gold. And then this is more of a dark purple. The first purple is more of maybe more of a fuchsia color. And this is a dark purple. It looks blue on the screen, but it really is beautiful purple, like a royal purple. And red glitter. It's hard to see the glitter on the camera, but it is very glittery in person. This beautiful green. And this orangey rust color, it's great for fall. And then this is more of a plum. I think it's different than the first one. Yeah, see, it's a little different. Beautiful, sparkly. And these papers, they feel a little rough to the touch, but they do not have any fallout. Neither do these. These don't have any fallout either. No glitter at all. So if you're concerned about that, you don't have to worry about it. This is beautiful silver. I've used this on a card recently, and it was so beautiful. And the black, well, not this pack, but the pack I got from BB Craft. And I believe this is exactly the same. And this is more of a blue-green aqua color. And then this is lavender. I wonder if it's the same as this. Yeah, it's the same as that. Well, pretty close. It's not exactly the same, but it's pretty close. And that's okay. I'm not complaining. I am happy to have extra of these papers. You'll definitely see them in projects coming up. And then I ordered a bunch of fun stuff. I ordered a bunch of different washi tapes. There's 3 packets, and let me see if they're all 3. Yes, these were, I'm not really sure which is which. Let's see, I actually have 5 things of washi tape. 2 are glitter. So the one that's the solid glitter was 68 cents for 10 rolls. This one has some glitter designs, and that was 95 cents. And then the other ones, one of them was 38 cents, one was $1.31, and the other one was 38 cents. So that's what I mean. Their prices are super inexpensive, although their shipping is high. But for 10 rolls of washi for 38 cents, I mean, that's really a good deal. So this is one of the sets. You have strawberries and pencils, and this one is fruit. And the next one is a piano, like piano keys with music, some stars, red, white, and blue stars. And that's some stick figures. This one says happy, and it has some fruit on it. I'm not sure what this one is, little hearts and such. And then the last 2 are polka dots. Now they don't look like they have a whole lot of tape on each roll, but for 38 cents, I mean, you know, that's not that bad of a deal, really. A little bit of a variety. And here's one of the others. This one has about the same amount of tape on each roll. We have cars. We have I heart you or I love you. We have ice cream and little milk containers and ice cream cones, little houses and trees. Oh, look, we have the old Apple symbols from the old Apple computers, if that's what that looks like. We have more polka dots. We have fruit. We have these little green dots and flowers, and more dots, and it says rhythm. So we have that set, which I'm guessing might be another one of the 38-cent packs, which is a good deal. Now this one has quite a bit more on it, or at least it feels heavier. So my guess is these 2 were the 38-cent roll, you know, packets. This one was probably the bigger one. That was $1.31, because these have quite a bit more on each roll. And we have this one, I'm not sure what that is, like a fence or something. We have some flowers and little kitty, some dots, looks like some newspapers. These are little kids. And I'm not sure what this other one is. It's like reading a book. And I'm not sure what some of these designs are. More dots. And that has some musical notes on it. So anyway, we have this other roll. And I think there's 10. Yeah, there's 10 rolls. And this is much heavier. There's quite a bit more on there. And then we have this set, which I think is the same that I got from BB Craft. They're kind of bent up, but that's okay because it's just glitter washi tape, and there's supposed to be 10 rolls on here. This one was 68 cents. And it has a pretty good amount on each roll, not too bad. And then this set was 95 cents. Now, I can't guarantee that the prices will be the same when you go. They may change their prices. I don't know. But this is glitter, and with all of these neat designs, some dots and stars, hearts. This one here looks woven or like brick. Or yeah, more like woven, like a basket weave. We have little hearts. This silver one here in the end is beautiful. And that has quite a good amount on each roll as well. So that's really nice. I love that set. I think BB Craft also has that same set on their site. Okay, so we have those. As you can see, the cost of each item is very, very inexpensive. And then I ordered some dies. Got this Dragonfly, and he was, let me see how much he was. 99 cents for this guy. So that's not bad. And then I have the butterfly die. And this one was $1.03. So that's not bad at all. And this Christmas tree die I thought would be really cool. Let me see if I can get it out. I've seen these before. And it has these little pieces in it that either embosses, or I think you can lift it up and make it three-dimensional. And this one was $2.10 for that set of dies. And then I thought this one would be so much fun to use. You have the flower pot and a bow and all of these flowers, so you can really make a really neat arrangement. I thought that would be a whole bunch of fun. And that was only $3.79 for that set. So altogether, including shipping, all of this was about $35. So that wasn't too bad at all. So there's all of my goodies from Beads. I will link them below. Feel free to check them out. And there are some coupons, so I will put the coupon link below as well. And whenever possible, I'll put an affiliate link. I'm not sure if I have one for them or if I can get one for them. But if I can, it would be an affiliate link. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Beads haul. The customer service was wonderful. They were so friendly. And I hope you enjoy. If you have a YouTube channel, reach out to them and see if they might want to send you a packet of goodies. You do an unboxing and then 2 other videos with tutorials. So you'll see these products coming up in 2 other videos as well. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate everyone. If you haven't yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Head on over to my Facebook group, Create with ekrFY. I would love to have you over there. The ladies are so nice. It's such a fun group. Thanks again, everyone. Take care. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.